You've heard the hype. Crypto. Decentralized finance. The future of money. But amidst all the excitement, a crucial question lingers: is your crypto actually safe on Wealthsimple? We've all seen the horror stories, hacks, scams, and vanishing fortunes. So, let's cut through the noise and get to the heart of the matter. Wealthsimple, a popular investment platform, has ventured into the crypto world. But does it offer the security you deserve for your digital assets? Today, we're diving deep into Wealthsimple's security measures. We'll explore Wealthsimple's custody practices. How are your crypto assets stored? Security protocols. What safeguards are in place to protect against hacks and theft? Insurance coverage. What happens if something goes wrong? Regulatory compliance. How does Wealthsimple navigate the complex world of crypto regulations? User experience. How easy is it to use Wealthsimple for crypto investing? Let's start with custody. Wealthsimple utilizes a combination of cold storage and hot wallets to safeguard your crypto. Cold storage. This involves storing the majority of your crypto offline on secure, offline devices. This significantly reduces the risk of hacking, as hackers cannot access offline devices. Hot wallets. These are online wallets used for faster transactions. Wealthsimple employs robust security measures for hot wallets, including multi-factor authentication and encryption. When it comes to security protocols, Wealthsimple implements a multi-layered approach. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring multiple forms of verification, such as a password, a code sent to your phone, and biometric authentication. Encryption. All data transmitted between your device and Wealthsimple servers is encrypted, making it extremely difficult for hackers to intercept. Regular security audits. Wealthsimple conducts regular security audits to identify and address potential vulnerabilities. Now, let's talk about insurance. While Wealthsimple doesn't explicitly mention insurance coverage for crypto assets, it's crucial to remember that holding crypto inherently carries risks. Market volatility. Crypto markets are notoriously volatile, and prices can fluctuate dramatically. Regulatory uncertainty. The regulatory landscape for crypto is constantly evolving, and changes in regulations can impact the value and accessibility of your assets. Hacking and theft. Despite security measures, the risk of hacking and theft always exists. Navigating the complex world of crypto regulations is a key challenge. Wealthsimple strives to comply with all applicable laws and regulations in the jurisdictions where it operates. Know your customer, KYC, and anti-money laundering, AML, compliance. Wealthsimple adheres to strict KYC and AML procedures to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Ongoing monitoring. Wealthsimple continuously monitors the evolving regulatory landscape and adjusts its practices accordingly. Now, let's talk about the user experience. Ease of use. Wealthsimple's platform is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for both beginners and experienced investors to buy, sell, and trade crypto. Educational resources. Wealthsimple provides educational resources, including articles, videos, and market data, to help users make informed investment decisions. Customer support. Wealthsimple offers customer support channels, including email and phone, to assist users with any questions or concerns. So, is your crypto safe on Wealthsimple? Wealthsimple employs a range of security measures to protect your assets, including cold storage, multi-factor authentication, and encryption. However, it's important to remember that holding crypto always involves inherent risks. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to invest in crypto is a personal one. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.